Best AI Art Tools 2025, Midjourney V6 versus Red Panda Showdown. Remember when AI art meant six-fingered hands? Those days just vanished. A stealth startup called Recraft released a model nicknamed Red Panda that tops Midjourney V6 in a key benchmark: perfect logo placement. Tonight, we survey the new AI art arms race and what it means for creators. Midjourney still rules aesthetics, Stable Diffusion owns open-source tweaks. Now, Red Panda nails typography and consistent characters, holy grail for designers. Investors poured $30 million after a single demo. Type retro diner logo with neon fork, get print-ready art in 20 seconds. Why the surge? Diffusion models learn to read layout instructions. Sprite sheet mode outputs every animation frame aligned. Vector export keeps paths editable. Freelance illustrators fear commoditization. Marketing teams cheer budget cuts. But pitfalls persist. Bias in training sets, style plagiarism lawsuits, and compute costs for high-res. Adobe's Firefly counters with paid indemnity. Insurance if you're sued. In 60 seconds, I'll test Midjourney, Stable, and Red Panda on the same prompt. Live comparison. We'll grade detail, text accuracy, and brand readiness. Then, I'll share a flow combining free upscalers, vectorizers, and color match scripts for agency-level polish in under an hour. Stay to the outro for 3 niches still hard for AI: hand-lettered calligraphy, medical diagrams, and patent illustrations. Right for human specialists. Subscribe to the channel.